Hello everyone. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create an API key from crypto.com. Now, first and foremost, of course, you're going to need to register for an account. Just be aware that crypto.com has two sides. There's the crypto.com price and crypto.com exchange. So you want to make sure that you go to crypto.com/exchange and register for an account there. So once you're in your dashboard, which is basically this, what you want to do is go to your profile here and click on your email address that you registered. For security purposes, I'm going to be clicking on security here, which pretty much leads us to the same page, but instead of the security tab, clicking on this email address just goes to your profile tab. Now for security, you want to make sure that you enable two-factor authentication because that is needed for generating your API keys. Now the two-factor authentication is going to run off of Google Authenticator, so make sure to have your phone with you. But once you have set that up, you can go ahead and go to the API keys tab and create a new API key. Now in my case, let's just do tutorial here. And my two-factor authentication code, which is, and that's it. The API, your API key and your secret key is now generated and you can plug it onto your app. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this useful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.